Hey everyone, Kean here with the Mathams Group at Carmel Realty Company. I went on broker's tour again in Carmel and Pebble Beach today and saw some amazing homes that I really want to share with you. If you have any questions about real estate in Carmel, Pebble Beach, or the greater Monterey Peninsula area, my info will be in the description box below. Now let's go check out these homes. The first home that I saw today was one of my favorites that I've seen in a long time. It's on the southeast corner of Scenic and 9th. It's directly along Scenic Drive, right across the street from Carmel Beach. It's named Sea Glass, and you can see why. It's got all of this beautiful glass along the front, beautiful modern California design. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, just over 3,100 square feet on a 5,000 square foot lot, and it's listed at $18,500,000. There are incredible ocean and beach views from the entire main level, from the guest bedroom to the open concept kitchen and living room, also from the primary suite. Then below street level, there's an additional 2 bedrooms, and the garage is also down there as well. I absolutely love the design of this home, and the location can't get any better, right across the street from Carmel Beach and a short walk to downtown Carmel. The second home I saw today was San Antonio 3 northwest of 11th, also in a fantastic location in the Golden Rectangle of Carmel, just 1 block up from Carmel Beach. This home's listed at $5,995,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, just over 1,700 square feet on a 4,000 square foot lot. This one also has a great ocean view from the upper level. Also up here are the primary bedroom, kitchen, and living room, and then there's also this great little balcony. And then downstairs are the 2 extra guest bedrooms and a great little backyard. The next property in Carmel I saw was 13th Avenue 2 southeast of Mission Street. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just over 1,300 square feet on a 5,500 square foot lot, and it's listed at $2,280,000. This one's also in a good location, easily walkable to Carmel Beach and downtown Carmel, and the best part about it is that there's extra water credits if you want to add an ADU or another bathroom. I then made my way into Pebble Beach, and the first property I saw was 4021 El Bosque Drive. This home's just about 3,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms on a 14,200 square foot lot. This home is named Maison de Jardin, the garden house, and you can see why. All of the living spaces in the bedrooms, they all look out to this central courtyard with views of these manicured gardens. It's listed at $2,495,000, and just like the house in Pebble Beach on Arroyo that we saw last week, this is a great home to get into Pebble Beach at a great price. The next home I saw in Pebble Beach was 3164 Palmero Way, and this property has arguably some of the best ocean views in all of Pebble Beach. This home was recently built in 2012 with a beautiful craftsman design and amazing attention to detail. It's 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, it's right around 8,000 square feet, and the lot size is 2.75 acres. It takes full advantage of the view of the Pacific Ocean with the kitchen, the living room, the primary suite, and all of these outdoor balconies all looking out to the view. My favorite part of this home is this amazing office attached to the primary suite upstairs. Last but definitely not least on my tour in Pebble Beach today was 3410 17 Mile Drive. This home sits directly on the 12th hole of the Pebble Beach Golf Links, and it's where we had our company party during the AT&T Pro-Am this year. It's 7 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms. It's just about 8,200 square feet on a lot that is just under 2.5 acres, and the list price is $22,500,000. It's built in a Cape Dutch style that takes full advantage of the views of the golf course and to the Pacific Ocean, and the location is great not only to walk to the lodge for dinner, but also down to Carmel Beach or even downtown Carmel. My favorite part of this house is definitely the primary suite upstairs. It's a huge space with huge bedroom and closets, and it's got this great balcony looking over the golf course and out to the ocean. That's it for my tour. Let me know which house was your favorite in the comments below, and I will see you next week.